Hey there! I just finished up writing my third reason paragraph. Remember I wanted to elaborate on this paragraph by using my own personal story from when I was a dancer when I was little? Here's what I wrote. My final reason is it makes more players feel proud. In the story, Lucas had so many trophies, he was using one as a door stopper. However, I don't think that every player reacts that way. There are way more athletes who are not the star than those that are. For example, I remember when I was about 7 and I took dance classes. There were maybe 3 or 4 girls that were the stars of the class. In fact, they were many of the dance teachers' daughters. The rest of the class was like me, new and just starting out. When I made it to the recital and they handed me a trophy, I felt so proud. I knew I wasn't the best, but I had worked so hard and was able to perform for my family. I knew I had a lot more to learn, but the trophy represented all the little growth I had made that year. I showed it proudly on my dresser as a kid, and I still have it today. I feel like this paragraph really proves how I was one of those regular kids who was just starting out, and I wasn't the star for sure, but I worked hard, and when I got that trophy just for participating, I really felt proud of myself. And I feel like more kids than not have that feeling than like Lucas, who maybe have too many trophies that he doesn't care about. So now I have to finish my writing today by writing my conclusion. So I can transition literally by saying, in conclusion. Remember, your conclusion should restate your opinion and review your 3 reasons. So remember that sentence that you wrote in the beginning of your writing? Let's go back to it. This one here. I think that every kid should get a trophy because, and I listed my 3 reasons. Well, I basically want to repeat that exact same thing in my ending. Remember, we want to use the hamburger paragraph, so that was the top bun. Now we're going to add the bottom bun, and they should match. I'm going back down to the bottom of my writing. In conclusion, this, instead of I think, I'm going to say, this is why I think that every kid should get a trophy. Because every kid learns the skills, it encourages all players to keep playing, and more players feel proud. Whew, done. Took us 3 days, but we got done. Tomorrow, we're going to take a look and reread and even play Prove It. So make sure you get your writing finished up today.